Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Venmo for beginners. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money using your smartphone. To get started with Venmo, you will need to download the Venmo app from the App Store on your device. Once the app is downloaded, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After creating your account, you will need to link your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account. This will allow you to add funds to your Venmo account and make payments to others. To link your bank account or credit card, you will need to provide your account information and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can start sending money to others. To send money, simply open the Venmo app and click on the Send Money tab. Enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment to let the recipient know what the payment is for. To receive money, the recipient will need to have a Venmo account. If they do not have a Venmo account, they will be prompted to create one when they receive the payment notification. Once the recipient has accepted the payment, the funds will be transferred to their Venmo account. Venmo also allows you to request money from others. To request money, open the Venmo app and click on the Request Money tab. Enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number, and the amount you want to request. You can also add a note to the request to let the recipient know what the request is for. It is also important to note that Venmo has a social aspect to it. When you make a payment or request money, you can choose to share the transaction on your Venmo feed. This allows your friends to see the transaction and can be a fun way to interact with others. However, you can also choose to keep your transactions private if you prefer. In terms of security, Venmo uses encryption to protect your transactions and account information. Venmo also offers two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. It is also important to only send money to people you know and trust, and to be cautious when receiving requests for money from strangers. Overall, Venmo is a convenient and easy-to-use service that allows you to send and receive money using your smartphone. By following these steps and using best practices, you can safely and securely use Venmo to manage your finances.